guys, welcome back to my channel. If you watched my last haul, you know that I left some clothes at school, so I'm just gonna show you the remainder of that. So this is kind of like a part 2 video. Are you surprised that I have more clothes? Probably not. If you've known me for a while, you know that I love to shop. If you've been on this channel, you probably know that I like to post a lot of hauls because I like to shop. So let's just get into it. As I mentioned in my last haul, I went shopping while I was on vacation, and I just have one item that I left here, so I'm going to show you that quickly. It's this pair of light washed denim jeans. Also, before you say anything, yes, the jeans are supposed to be like this. I did not button my buttons wrong. My friends always like, did you like misbutton your jeans? Like, no, I didn't. This is actually how they're designed, and when I was on vacation, a lot of people were wearing asymmetrical type designs like this on their denim, so I thought it was really cute, so I wanted to get it. I'll insert a picture right here of how I wore them while I was on vacation. I just wore it with like a basic white t-shirt, and I tied like the front into a front knot, and I think it's really cute because you're actually showing off the design of the jeans. And yes, I am drinking a soy milk on the subway. Don't judge me, it's all good. If they want to sponsor me, hello, come sponsor me please. Next up, I got something from Aritzia, and it's just one item. It's this, falling off the hanger, oh my gosh, Kina, get it together. But it's this white bodysuit right here. It's just ribbed, and the only thing that I don't like about this bodysuit is that there's no clasp at the bottom, so going to pee will definitely be a mission and a half, but you know what, it's okay. Sacrifices you make for fashion. My next item I'm actually wearing, and it's from H&M, and I got this on vacation as well, but it's a 3/4 sleeved bodysuit. If you can't tell, I'm really into bodysuits, love them, so had to get this one as well. And I saw this dress on vacation, but I didn't get a chance to buy it there, so I bought it when I got back here to Canada. It's a black ribbed tank bodycon dress, yes, and it's just like all black, so it's kind of like a midi dress, not a midi dress. Is it a midi dress? It's just like right above the knees. I don't know. It's great to just pair with anything. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I usually wear a jean jacket or a bomber with it and Converse, and it looks cute. Whatever you're into. Next up, since all my items have technically been more like summer items, you'll be proud of me because I got a fall item. It's a gray sweater, and it looks like this. It's knitted, and let me show you the back because this is the reason why I got it. It looks like this. So the back is backless over here, and there's just a, like, the material's more tied or twisted at the bottom, and then there's one strap here to kind of like hold the sweater in place. I love the backing. I think it's so cute. I want to wear it with like a white lace bralette or something, so you can actually show off like the design of the back. So excited to wear this one. Next up, we got another sweater. Yes, I am very proud of myself. I shouldn't be because I have a shopping problem. Your girl should not be spending this much money on clothes. Anyways, this is a beige sweater. It's an oversized one, and fun fact, it's actually from the men's section because sometimes I think men's sweaters are so much more comfy. This is a sweater that I want to wear as a sweater dress, so this is perfect, and I got it in an extra large so that I can do that. And I'm planning on wearing with knee highs, and I think it's such a cute like Ariana Grande type inspired look. Also, sweater dresses are just the best. They're so comfy and like loose, and you can literally eat so much and no one would know because it's supposed to be loose on you, you know. Next, we went to Blue Note, and they were having a sale, so it was literally 3 items for $15, I think, which is great for my wallet. Very happy about that. So the first item is more summery as well, but I can wear it and layer with other stuff. So it's a black tube top. Yeah, I feel like you can wear it like anytime, honestly, and you can just layer things up and you can still wear it. And then, are we surprised by the next item? So 2 bodysuits, one in black and one in white. They're just scoop necked, and good thing about these, they have clasp on them, so peeing would not be an issue, thank God. Next, I have some workout items. Since I'm back at school, I get to use their gym again because I didn't want to pay for a gym membership when I was home. So the first one is just this pair of black leggings from Tough Athletics. They're high-waisted, which I love. That's literally a key thing that I look for when I'm buying leggings, and it's just great for like literally any time wear. And then also I bought some Nike shorts. So the first one is like this. It's a baby blue logo. They're both the same. It's the 3-inch length ones, and it's just the Nike Pro tight fit. I love wearing these as just literally anywhere, and you can wear them like under dresses and stuff too. I don't know. So I got the same pair in this hot pink color as well. Same design. Can't go wrong with workout shorts, so those are great basics to have. And my last thing is the belt that I mentioned in my last haul. I showed you the gold one that I got, so this is the silver one that I also have as well. So same thing, 2 circles, just silver. And I mentioned that I was going to show you the other one that I've been loving, obsessed with, and it's just this one right here. I bought this like a while ago, probably back in March or something. So it's just this rose gold color one, and if you can see, there's like texture to the belt, and I love that because not a lot of belts have that. I've been wearing this to death, and this is why I needed to buy my silver one, because it's literally coming apart, like it's ripping. It's not good because it's not 100% leather, so got a new one. Yeah, that was my video for today. Quick and easy. Hopefully it was quick. I don't know. I kind of talk a lot sometimes. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the rest of the clothes that I got for back to school season, because I am back here and I literally had my first day of class today. University life. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.